Hmm.
Come on, buddy. Just a little more juice. It's working! Come on! PJ Vehicle saved the day! I admit it. This is cool. Yup. Now it's up to you and your flying outlet.
Then it's no problem. PJ Jet, maximum speed.
By my cat, Whiskers! And we're back! Yes! Nice flying, Owlette!
Remember, like Spirit Airline will fly to Ohio next year. I will get Spirit Airline tour for tomorrow for my birthday. I'll get it for my birthday. It's going to be a gift for my birthday by Gas Ass, probably.